Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, let's do this question. Here it is given that the proportion P equals to 98.5%, which becomes equal to 0.985, and the value of margin of error, that is ME, equals to 0.5%, which becomes equals to 0.005. So we have to find out the lower limit of confidence interval. We know that the formula for confidence interval equals to P hat plus minus margin of error. So the lower limit becomes lower limit equals to P hat minus margin of error. Now put the values, then we get the lower limit equals to limit equals to 0.985 minus 0.05 equals to 0.98. Therefore we get the value of lower limit equals to 0.98 equals to 98%. I hope you find that helpful. Thank you.